to deactivate Instagram account. You have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Then click on your profile menu. Then click on the three lines on the right of the corner and click on the help. By scrolling, you find the help. Click on the help. Then click on the help center. Then at the right of the corner, you find the three lines. Click on three lines. From this, click on three lines again. Search, click on the search, and from this you click on disable Instagram account. By scrolling, you find that there is option of temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on the temporarily deactivating Instagram account. Scroll it, and when you scroll it, click on the disable. Click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Click on delete your Instagram account. Scroll it, click on it. Then by clicking it, you can delete your Instagram account. Your Instagram account can be deleted. Okay, here was all. I wish that you can understand it very clearly, and I hope you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.